What is up, guys? Today we are taking the engine back out of my RX8, taking it apart, diagnosing the problem, rebuilding it, and putting it back in the car and getting it to start all in one episode. Let's get going. I got a lot of work to do. Okay, so we've got the engine out of the car. Now what we're going to do is strip it all down to the bare block again. So what I've found is there's really only so much that you can learn from online and doing it without any in-person guidance when rebuilding these engines. So what I've decided to do is make the smart decision to bring this over to Justin at T-Rex Performance, get an engine that'll be making compression, and we'll throw it back in the car because I really do want this car running. So let's take this thing over to T-Rex Performance. It's only an hour drive from me. What's up, guys? I'm here with Justin from T-Rex Performance.
What's up?
And today we are going to be breaking into this engine that you saw me take out of the car, rebuild it, not very well, and then put it back in the car. It's back out. We're at Justin's shop. He's going to help me take this thing apart, rebuild it the proper way, and we're also going to be doing a street port now. Justin has convinced me to do a street port on this thing. So we're going to be doing a street port on this. Hopefully you guys will love to see that as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so everybody's going to want to know what is the problem. What was wrong with my engine?
The clearance on the side seals wasn't cut properly. They're stuck in there. See, they didn't even raise up hardly. So they were too tight or improperly measured. This one is the only one that's loose out of all of them.
Yeah, so that was my problem with feeler gauges, trying to get the clearances right. It's definitely harder than it looks. Alright, so what we're going to do, what's the plan?
We're going to take the side apex seals out, corner seals and the side seals, and we're going to check everything and re-clearance and get them going again. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about street porting, bridge porting on the Renesas engine. These plates right here have been street ported. So if you look here, the intake ports, this one is opened up a little bit more, this one is opened up a little bit more. This one's only tapered though, where this one is actually flat and opened up all the way. This allows for the intake to allow more airflow through the engine, and whenever it comes into the exhaust port is opened up a little bit more, so that way it lets the exhaust out. We want this done so that way it allows the heat to escape a little bit faster, so that way it's not sitting there. The Renesas has a huge heating problem because instead of it coming out of the housings, it actually comes out the plates now. So it goes through the plate and then comes around the corner and out the exhaust port. So when you open it up a little bit more, it allows the air to flow a little bit faster and come out instead of sitting there heating everything up.
And how much power can we expect from a street port?
Street port you can gain about 7 to 10 horsepower on.
And we're gonna basically build this engine up now, so let's get going.
Alright, so I put in the corner seal springs and just put in the corner seals. You have to make sure that everything's all lined up, so that way the apex seal will fit down in there, which it is, that's good. And then you have the side seal spring. You gotta put the tips up. Cool. Now we got side seals. So these are already pre-clearanced and properly. So we're gonna see the best match for it. So these are the 3 shortest ones. So we'll see which one fits best. I think it's gonna be that one. Alright, so to properly clearance these, you take this feeler gauge, stick it in here, and then you press down so it doesn't even go. So you want to do this, use 3 fingers and push it down. like this, and see if it clears. See how it comes back up? If it didn't clear, it'd be like this. So since it does clear, that means that it's...
Because it pops up again?
Yep.
Alright. And then you only do that on one side?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And you go to the next one.
And that's 7th out, that feeler gauge?
It's 6.
6th out?
Yeah.
Okay. I've got the engine back from Justin's shop. We're gonna dress this thing and throw it in the car. the moment of truth, and let me tell you, my heart is beating really fast. I am really hoping that this will start. We've got an engine with good compression. We've got a new starter. Let's hope I connected all the wires and hoses. We don't have any leaks or anything like that. So without further ado, let's get this engine started up. Okay. Please work. Definitely need to get gas once we get this thing going, but make sure the fuel pump goes. Please, please work. Come on, you got this, you got this. We're smoking up the garage, but it started. It started. Woohoo! So the last thing we need to do to get this car ready for the road is get rid of these hideous wheels and tires. And get something a little bit nicer. These are actually the same exact wheels that I was rocking on this black RX8 for about 2 years. I've gone ahead and wrapped them with Dunlap Signature High Performance All Season tires. You guys enjoyed this video and are enjoying this series so far. That's right, it's not over yet. So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.